Here it is, April 6th, and here's what's growing in my garden right now. Okay, the daffodils are just about done. Well, look at all those daffodils over there. But tulips are blooming though. Look at all these tulips here. Lots of yellow tulips. It's really kind of cold today, but for April 6th. Look at the peonies coming up. And the bird in the bush is almost done. This is loose stripes. They're coming up. This is a variegated dogwood. It's, oh, look right there. You can see it's just starting to grow. Right there. I don't know what that is, but it's going to have to go. Something woody. Spring flowers that are coming up. This one I know is columbine. It's chilly and windy out here today, or breezy at least. These are Siberian Squill. This here, it's all done blooming, but it's winter aconite. Stripe coming up. That's a really pretty flower with loads of little yellow blooms. And tulips, irises. I like to get as many flowers in here as I can. I don't like to have a fancy decorative flower bed. I just like a nice wild flower bed. Here's, look at these daffodils. Look at those. Look at all these daffodils. And this is a bleeding heart right here. And this is goutweed and invasive. I would never plant that in my garden. I didn't have a lot of room to keep it separate. It's pretty safe over here, but it's one of those things you don't want in your flower bed. I've also got Vinca over here too, which is another thing you don't want in your flower bed. Here's the Vinca right here. In the summer, this is a whole bunch of hostas here that are not up yet. But the hostas pretty much keep everything in control. And it's semi-shady here in the summer because of all the trees. This is a flowering crab. But the birds just love sitting on this tree. They're flying back and forth between the tree and the bird feeder. This Virginia Bluebells. Here's the hostas right here. Just coming up. There. There's loads of hostas around here. Here's the Virginia Bluebells just starting to bloom. They'll be all done by the time the hosta comes up. My bench blew over. Here's some big daffodils. Pretty sure those are daffodils. Here's a little teeny one. And here's this Vinca minor. You can see how it would take over. The reason I planted it is because it's easier to keep the weeds down. But then here's a weed right here. Here's a bunch of wildflowers I planted over here. Here's some more Virginia Bluebells, daffodils. Look how big those are. Oh, look at the size of this tulip. This is a hardy geranium, crane's bill geranium right there. It's got blue flowers on it in the summer. These things in this flower bed used to not do very well. This is coral bells. In fact, it's been there for several years and it's divided up into all these separate plants. You can see a crown right there and one over here. And of course the center of it died out. Look at that. Is this something? There's one right there. Anyway, there was a bush right there. It just shaded this whole area here. This is lamium here, and it's a nice ground cover. It's not as ferocious as the Vinca minor, but look at these tulips here. And this is Lenten rose. And there's some hostas back in there coming up. This whole area in here is covered with hostas. I don't know how that concrete block there, but I need to get rid of it, I guess. This here is dogtooth violet. It has like little white flowers on it. Look what these vines are. This is our Amaryllis sitting here in my office right in front of my computer, looking out the window. It looks really nice. It has a, seems like it blooms more than once a year, but it seems like it's at different times of the year. But anyway, it's really pretty, and the blooms are way bigger than your hand. And also, this bulb belonged to my mother-in-law before she passed away, and so we brought it home when we were cleaning out her house, and it's sitting here on the windowsill by my desk. But yes, it looks really nice. Well, that's what's growing in my garden here on April 6th. And if you like that video, can you please subscribe to my channel here, Gardening in My Yard. I would really appreciate it, and it helps me make more videos. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.